All right, y'all. This WT Barbecue. We coming at you again. You got the WT assistant behind the camera for today. And today we are doing a pork butt. We got bone in. See if I can spin this around. There's your bone. That's what we're going to use to shred this with later for pulled pork. We also have some whole cloves of garlic that I'm going to put in here. And then we got the Bad Byron's butt rub. It's all I use on pork. I love it. It works great. Good flavor. So without further ado, WT Barbecue is going to get started. And run y'all through my process. I do like to rinse everything, which I've already done. Set it up in the pan, got it ready. Now we are just going to make some slits in here so that we can run this garlic up in there. And y'all, let me tell you, garlic out of here is just another level. It tastes so delicious when you pull that whole clove of garlic out after it's cooked and get that flavor. Oh, that garlic tastes so good. Oh, the assistant, hey, assistant, you're missing the shot there.
Try not to touch the meat.
Yeah, you ain't got no choice but to touch the meat here.
Okay.
So I put, I don't know, 6, 8, 7, 9, 10 of them in there. Sometimes, hey, get the picture, get the shot, so you can see, so they can see what you're doing. All right, right here, yeah. Let me show them one time, honey. Get the shot in there. So we got a nice little slit. Sometimes you got to open it up with your finger a little bit.
Pop that garlic in.
No pun intended. We'll put a couple more in there. Get through the fat cap. A little bit more difficult, but
It's like putting something in someone's body.
it is.
That's what it feels
That's exactly right.
That's what it feels like.
Slide it on in there, girl. All right, we got one more to go. Let's find a good spot for that one. See, did we do this side?
Well, there's a hole, and we did.
Make sure you get it in the shot.
Get in there.
Slippery.
Yeah.
All right, so that's that.
That was fun.
Now, what we're gonna do is I like to score my fat caps so that you get these little golden nuggets of fat when you pull it and you shred it later.
Golden nuggies.
So we're gonna do a nice little crosshatch diamond pattern. And y'all can see we do have a good sharp knife. Always important, have a good sharp knife.
Yep, like that one.
I like to go down just through the fat cap. You don't need to go much further than that.
So is this all the fat?
That's all fat, yes.
That's a lot.
Now, we're gonna flip this guy over.
Flip it. Gotta get it sticking.
And then we're gonna throw down some rub. We're gonna season nicely on all 4 sides. Just to get a good coating, a good layer. Excuse me.
Both ya.
We are running low, so I'm going to stretch this out. You got to go to the store and get some pellets anyway. Speaking of pellets, let's talk a little bit about that, y'all. Bear Mountain barbecue pellets, by far best I've ever used. Give off the best smoke, give off the best flavor. and they're reasonably priced. I get mine at Academy. I don't know where y'all can get yours at, wherever you live, wherever you're from. But Bear Mountain is all I use. For pork, I use a little blend of my own sometimes. I'll do apple and hickory or mesquite. I do still like a robust flavor, but for pork, people like a little sweetness. Maybe some pecan every now and again, or as we like to say down here in the South, pecan. All right, y'all, so now we got her all rubbed down. You can see, come up over the top for me there, sweetheart. This will start to open up as it cooks, and you can get that rub down in there a little bit better. But as it starts to cook, that fat's going to open up really nicely and allow all that seasoning to get down inside there. All right, y'all. So this is WT barbecue. This is how we do it here in Florida. Heck, this is just how we do it WT style. This is it. We're going to get her done. We're going to put this back in the fridge here for about half an hour. We got to run to the store and grab some of them Bear Mountain pellets. And then we'll come back, put it on the pit, get her cooking. And yeah, I cook this until we're about 196 internal. You'll see the bone starting to pull, the meat pull back from the bone a little bit as it cooks. I don't do nothing with it. I don't baste, I don't mist, I don't do nothing. It cooks as it cooks, and when it's done, it's done. So that's it. We'll catch y'all back here in a little while, and we'll see you then.
WT barbecue.